I'm Ninja's here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to create a new workspace in Asana. So it's really easy to do. Just open up your home page. Then we're going to find our profile picture, which should be in the bottom left-hand corner. So I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to click on settings. And at the top, I'm going to click on account. From there, you should see a section at the top that says organizations and workspaces. So underneath my workspace, you should see the tab that says create new workspace. So I'm going to click on that. Then you need to give your workspace a name. So I'm going to name it the same as my channel. And then I'm going to click on create a workspace. So if you want to add people to this workspace, add members, you can add in their emails there as well. So I'm going to click on workspace, create workspace, and that will be created. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.